Hi guys, this is Sampath from Creative Studio, and today we are going to unbox the Apple's third AirPods, guys, and it was the Apple AirPods Pro. So guys, this will cost you around like $249, or in Indian currency it will cost you around like 25k. So I'm so excited about unboxing these AirPods, guys, because it was my first time just using or just touching the AirPods. So I'm so excited about it, guys. And the most convenient feature about these AirPods Pro was the noise cancellation. Now let's unbox it, guys. So guys, before unboxing the AirPods Pro, let's talk about this new feature called the noise cancellation. With active noise cancellation, an outward facing microphone detects external sounds, which your AirPods Pro then counter with anti-noise, cancelling the external sounds before you hear them. An inward facing microphone listens inside your ear for unwanted internal sounds, which your AirPods Pro also counter with anti-noise. So guys, let's now connect these AirPods to the iPhone 7. So guys, now I'm using the noise cancellation mode. It was awesome, guys. I think you may not be able to feel it, but it was super duper convenient. So I will just listen a song now. So here we got the Alan Walker Alone Part 2. Okay guys. So there's also a super thing in this AirPods, guys. If you just take out one AirPod or two of the AirPods, the music pauses. It was awesome. So, see, you can see it. Now I'll just take out the AirPods. You may see that the music pauses. See guys, the music paused. It was awesome, guys, and it was a super convenient feature. Now let's see how the music comes out of the AirPods. Let me play it. I may think you're able to hear it or not able to hear it, but it was awesome, guys. So let's test the quality of the call in this AirPods Pro. So guys, now I have talked with my friend using both the transparency and the noise cancellation, and also talked with most of my friends, and they all say that during the transparency mode they were able to hear most of the background noise, but using the noise cancellation mode they were not able to hear the background noise. And it was awesome, guys. I have also tried it and it was awesome. I think you will not be able to hear or just experience it, but the AirPods Pro are truly amazing. And bye guys, see you in the video. Please subscribe, like and share, and bye. And if you're thinking to make me review on any other product, you can just comment below. And bye guys. So guys, one of our CS members has started a channel called the MAXIMUS, and this channel was mainly based on the Fortnite mobile gameplays. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. Bye guys.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me,